The first blank is to be filled in contrast to the Clinton case. So astute as choice C, which denotes something keen in judgment, is unfit for the blank. The Democrats are established and scrupulous political assembly, and so they cannot be callow or immature in any decision, and so choice A is also incorrect for blank ones. So indignant as choice B, the correct answer for blank one, which means angry, especially as a result of something unjust or wrong, which is also fit regarding in contrast to Clinton case. Both choice D and choice E denote same meaning as something is not explicit or complete, and as FBI director has rejected a charge which should be completed and clear. So the correct answer that fits the blank 2 is to be outright as choice F, that denotes completely or entirely or unreservedly. So the correct answers are choice F and choice B.